Hello dear students, today we are studying about division of fraction. How can we divide the fraction? So previously we learned about how to multiply the fractions, isn't it? So this is how to divide the fraction, division of fractions. Okay, so it's very easy on to divide a fraction. It's very easy. So I will show you how can we divide. Before we going for the division, we need to know about the one term that is very important. That is to divide a fraction. For example, we need to divide 2 by 3 by 4 by 5. Understand? Divide 2 by 3 by 4 by 5. Okay, question is that divide 2 by 3 by 4 by 5. Okay, then we how will we write 2 by 3 divide by 4 by 5, isn't it? 2 by 3 divide by 4 by 5. We will write this way, isn't it? So to divide a fraction, divide fractions, division of fractions, the second fraction, okay, this is the division. In the case of division, the second fraction, okay, has to multiply. Then you will think that we are going to multiply this way. No, not this way. For a division of two fractions, the reciprocal of the fraction is multiplied. Reciprocal of the second fraction has to multiply. Then we will get the answer. That means for the division of the fraction, the second fraction reciprocal. Then what is reciprocal? Reciprocal of 4 by 5 is 5 by 4. That means the numerator comes the denominator and denominator becomes the numerator. That is called the reciprocal. For example, reciprocal of 6 by 7 is what? 7 by 6. Understand? So for the division, the reciprocal of the second fraction has to be multiplied. Then what is the answer we get? That is the answer of this one. Understand? For the dividing a fraction with another fraction, second fraction reciprocal has to be multiplied. Then what is the answer for this one? 2 by 3 by 4 by 5. Then what is the reciprocal? 5 by 4. If you multiply, when we multiply these two ones, we will get the answer. Okay. So here what is the answer? 2 by 3 into 5 by 4. Okay. Then we can cut here, isn't it? 2 with the 4. Then here 2 will get it. Then here 1 only. So 1 into 5, 5. Then 3 into 2, 6. This is the answer. Simple. 5 by 6. Understand? After that, everything is same like multiplication. We have to just take the reciprocal of the second one and then multiply it. That is the answer. I will show one more example. Okay. Divide 7 by 5 by what? 2 by 5. 7 by 5 by 2 by 5. So this one we need to divide it. And what we have to do? Keep the first one same. Take the reciprocal of the second one and multiply it. Okay, multiply the reciprocal. 5 by 2 you have to write reciprocal. This one. Understand? When you take the reciprocal of this one, you will get a 5 by 2. Then multiply it. Then before multiplication we can cut. Isn't it? This 5 and 5 we can cut like this way. Understand? Then here 1, here also 1 we will get it. 7 into 1, we will get a 7. 1 into 2, we will get a 2. So 7 by 2 is the answer. Very simple, isn't it? So this is the answer for this one. Take one more example. Okay, 2 by 8 into not 2 by 8. 2 by 11 into 8 by 12. Okay, so this one we need to divide. Okay, to divide this number, what we have to do? Keep this first one same and multiply the second one. Then we have to take the reciprocal multiplication. Then what is the reciprocal? 12 by 8 we will get, isn't it? 12 by 8. And we can we cut? Yes, 2 and 8 we can cut, isn't it? 2 and 8 if we cutting. Here 1 we will get 4 2s are 8. Then nothing we get. No, 12 and 4 we can do, isn't it? 12 and 4. 12 and 4 means how can we do? 12 4 yeah, 4. How many times of 4 is 12? 1 4s are 4, 3 4s are 12. Okay, then multiply 1 into 3 we will get then 11 into 1, that is 11. 3 by 11. This is the answer. Same like the usual way. Just take the reciprocal. That is only the difference. Okay, so this is just a division of two fractions. Next we will learn about fraction with the whole number and a whole number with the fraction, like that things. Okay, so this is the thing we just know about what the reciprocal. Reciprocal means what? The numerator become the denominator and denominator become the numerator. That is called the reciprocal. When we to divide a number, we have to what we have to do? Keep the fraction first one same. In the case of whole number and fraction also the same way. Keep that first one same, and only changes happen to which one? Second one. We have to take the reciprocal of the second one. Okay. So that's all for today. Thank you.